Isang hiyawan mo dyan para sa Yamaha! Yun! Alright, it's great to be here, and I'm absolutely charged with the spirit of Yamaha. Get ready, mga kapatid, because today, we're not just looking at the future of riding, we are igniting it, one blazing moment at a time. And this year's motor show dares you to break free from the familiar. May iba naman tayo. Usually nga nakasuka ko eh. Pero ngayon, labas tayo sa pamilya, di ba? Doon tayo, let's blaze through our day and our afternoon. Blaze past the expected and right beyond the ordinary. Because only those who have the grit will uncover what's next. And for the next 3 days, from today till Sunday, dito sa One Ayala, you will discover Yamaha's collection of world-class, high-performance motorcycles, all made to deliver Kanto. Diba? Kanto. Mga kapatid, a Japanese word to express the feeling of satisfaction and excitement when you encounter something that's truly exceptional. Kumbaga, may nararamdaman ninyo pag nag-ride kayo ng Yamaha motorcycles. Tama? May feeling of satisfaction ba? Parang wala. May feeling of satisfaction ba? Yun ang Kanto. And of course, there are various food activities, freebies, and other surprises. So be sure to go around. Sa mga dyan po sa taas, pwede po kayo bumaba dito to experience Yamaha up close and of course explore and anticipate our programs. Also, don't forget sa mga content creators natin dyan or sa mga nagpo-post po dyan, your videos, your photos, your stories, mga finding nyo dyan. Please don't forget to tag our official media, social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Yamaha Philippines. Alright, you can also visit our website at yamaha-motor.com.ph and of course use our official hashtag Yamaha Motor Show or Motor Show 2025. Hopefully everybody's medyo busy na tayo at napapagalas so sana na kami lunch na tayo. Pero right now, actually excited ako because pagkita natin lahat ng motor ng Yamaha, excited ako makita ating buhay yung mga iba-ibang motorcycles na nandito ngayon sa ating venue. Of course, dito tayo sa concourse in One Ayala. First up, we have our Yamaha motorcycle display. Kita nyo naman, kompleto. And let's check out muna yung ating Yamaha 125s. Ayan po yung mga Yamaha 125 natin. Alright, so ito yung commuter bikes natin. For those who are looking for motorcycles for daily use, di ba? Kahit saan pwedeng dalhin yan. Especially kung city driving lang tayo. We have the Yamaha Mio collection. Mr. John Pratt!
Bago na rin kaya,
Ano sasayaw eh? Dito, ano sasayaw?
basta hello everyone! Silent Jake, Silent Derek. How are you, sir?
How are you, Tito John?
Ano ba dyan? Okay naman ako. Very, very excited because syempre alam naman natin pagka nagpa-event ang Yamaha, kailangan big.
Oo, kailangan. Of course, how's it been? I mean, riding your Yamaha motorcycles. Nakikita ko yung mga vlogs ninyo. Kumusta yung mga rides ninyo? Kung saan kayo nakakot?
Honestly, I found my perfect ride. Kasi I've been riding ng 2018. Siyempre, nag-start ako sa mga scooter. Hanggang siyempre, malaking sisi na. And then, may dati akong nangangawit. For some reason, I love riding, pero problema ko yung awit sa clutch and ganyan. But I like to drive yung mga long drive. But when I met my
Which one?
E-Max, ito yun.
Relax na relax.
Ito yun, bro. So when I got this one, so whenever we ride, kami ng Drama Moto Club, lahat sila naiingit sa akin.
Kasi relax
Kasi
na.
kahit gaano nakakaba yung ride, kaya nga sinabi mo baka dito ride,
Yes.
that's my kind of ride.
And we can see, of course, you can catch their vlogs sa Drama Moto Club. Sila ni Gerald Anderson. Of course, all of them riding Yamaha.
Yeah.
Very, very excited for all of you. Napapapanood Yamaha. Minsan, hindi ko kaya natin Yamaha. Yung grabe, school kayo.
Ay, dapat mag-sport machine. Tapos mag-ride na tayo, bro.
Sir Tony. Sir nagsabi, Sir Tony. Kailangan nila sport.
Pwede ka na sumama sa amin, bro. Pero bago mo pumasa, mag-audition ka muna.
Ayun siya.
Siyempre, Drama Moto Club, kailangan makita namin kung gaano kabilis umiyak. Yung kailangan pasok ka doon.
Yun lang. Bakit hindi tayo pumasok sa audition?
Sabi ko, vlog natin na gusto mo ba bro, papa-actingin ka namin. Tapos, pasok ka na.
Pero mag-vlog na lang. Vlogger na kayo eh. Pwede naman vlogger na
Ay,
lang.
gagawin namin yung vlog ko. Di ba yung vlog ko yung parang mga
Ay, sana magkita dyan natin. Okay, kita dyan focus tayo sa event natin today, okay? For the viewers, right now.
Ito ko naman.
Pwede na isa.
Alam mo, hindi ka
Isa
nagkakalo.
na isa.
Alam mo, pag pinapol ko si Mikey, parang chill na chill lang ah.
Ay, sana.
Pero na siya, chill sa'yo.
Yamaha! Okay, Yamaha. Okay, moving forward, ito that's natin event. Ano ba tayo expect, of course, ng viewers natin and also the Yamaha supporters, the riders natin?
Like what I said kanina, Mikey, like syempre, kagaya ng tagline ng Yamaha, uli Yamaha, Red Shower. So yung hint ko lang na talagang today, we will rev your heart, especially sa mga matagal na may hinihintay dito. Finally, makikita nila up close kung ano man to. And I'm really excited for them. This is sobrang ganda nito.
So this will be from today till Sunday.
Yes, till
Okay.
Sunday.
Very, very excited. Again, palakpakan natin si Direk John Franz for making all this possible.
Mag-work muna ako.
Yeah. Over ka muna. Kalalagay naman yung talk today. Alright, palakpakan natin Mr. John Franz. Blue Crew Asia Pacific. Please welcome Moses Gerald Reyes, Say Kaiser Doblada, and Mitchell Joshua Ong. And we have Moses. What's up, Moses? Zay, and Mitchell. Alright, our Yamaha riders ng ating racers. Kasama natin ngayon from the Blue Crew PH team. Alright. Musta, brother? Hindi ka naman naiinit. Moses, saan ka mas kinakabahan? Dito o yung pag nakaka-renta na? Mas kinakabahan mo pa dito. Nakakagulat yun kasi, bro, I'm sure when you ride your motorcycle, syempre, you are at risk. How do you make sure na safe pa din yung pag-ride mo ng motorcycle, especially pag kumakarera ka?
Proper training lang po and proper preparation lang po and
Kailan nagsimula? Kailan nagsimula yung love mo for motorcycle? And of course, for Yamaha in particular.
nung una po ako kumarera, dito po na visual yung kumarera dahil po sa adrenaline papa.
Anong favorite motorcycle mo dito sa'yo?
Arcade po.
Yeah, R3 na. Alright, thank you very much. May Zane naman tayo. Zane, kwento mo naman kami, ano naman ang training? Sabi ni Moses kanina, yung training very important to make sure na kahit sobrang bilis ninyo, you're always safe when you're riding a motorcycle. Ano ang training na nagaganap na kakailanganin para bumalik ka makarera?
Siyempre po yung sa disiplina sa disiplina.
Kaya ano naman ang feeling mo na ikaw nag-represent of course ng Philippines at nakakalaban ka sa mga iba-ibang racers din from all around Asia. Meron bang sense of kailangan, may pressure, syempre, representing the Philippines, pero how do you handle that?
Hindi ka pa po na may excited kasi nire-represent ang mga ako pagkain tapos yung mga kagalaman ko parang nakakapagawin na may ka pa po na may excited.
Tama. Okay, si Zane. Pakapaka naman natin si Zane. And finally, we have Mitchell. Mitchell, ilang taong ka na, Mitchell?
15 po.
Alright, 15-year-old Mitchell. Mitchell, how does it feel na nakakaikot ka ng mundo? Balita ko sa September, may Australia kayo, di ba? How does it feel na nakakaikot ka ng mundo? Akalain mo ba yun, yung unang nag-ride ka ng motorcycle na dahil sa Yamaha, may experience mo kayo ng mundo?
Actually, napakasaya po ng opportunity ito kasi didn't really think na makaka-explore ako ng mundo with Yamaha and pagdating sa racing.
Ikaw personally, Mitchell, ano ang gusto mong i-improve para mas gumanda yung performance ninyo sa September sa Australia?
Gusto ko pong improve sarili ko yung pag-lane brake and pag-handle ng motor in mas mabilis na speed.
Okay, balik tayo kay Moses. Moses, baka gusto niyo may message lang kayo sa mga supporters ninyo, of course, sa mga susuportahan mo sa mga next competition ninyo. At syempre sa Yamaha natin.
Supportan po kami sa karera mo ng sa Australia sa September 7 po. And,
Alright, may mapasalamatan ka ba? Or yes, go ahead.
Thank you po sa Yamaha. Siyempre, hindi po mangyari lang sa binigyan nilang opportunity sa amin. Yun nga, supportahan niyo po kami sa game po namin kanina sa September.
Vision.
Ganun din po, papasalamat po ako ng lubos sa Yamaha Philippines for giving us this opportunity to race internationally. And yun nga, supportan niyo po sana po kami sa laban namin sa Australia in September 7.
May pala, congratulations talaga. Palakpakan naman natin ang Blue Crew PH team. Of course, Moses Gerald Reyes, Siggy Kaiser Gobulada, and Mitchell Joshua Mo. Of course, we'd also like to recognize Becca Resorts. Palakpakan po natin ang ating members ng Yamaha Island Racing Team. Alright, ano pa? Ano ba? Alright, let's stay. Ano ba? How are you? Is it your first time in the Philippines? Second time in the how's it been so far? How's it been so far in the Philippines? Good? Have you been eating? Yeah. And how does it feel to represent Yamaha, of course, back in Thailand? How does it feel to represent Yamaha? How does it feel to ride the Yamaha?
Yamaha Thailand Racing Team, my pleasure for providing the team to the significant information progressing to the march.
Can we know, can you tell us which is your favorite motorcycle to ride?
I think I want to try the Arctic first. Yes, now we look forward to the Arctic comeback in Thailand for testing for George Racing.
Alright, let's talk to Greta Pat. Greta Pat, how about you? Is it your first time in the Philippines?
Yeah, I really Philippines.
You enjoy Philippines?
Yeah,
The traffic, no?
I think a little bit.
A little bit. Alright, how about you? Where did the riding start? How old are you now?
I'm 20 years
20. When did you start riding a motorcycle?
I start racing motorcycle 5-year-old. Start with motocross. Yeah.
And how does it feel to represent Yamaha now?
Yes, it will now for Yamaha is it's good. Yeah.
Do you ride motorcycles even when you're not racing? To go around the city, to go around Thailand, do you ride motorcycles? Is there a favorite motorcycle that you have when you ride?
Yeah, I have.
Make sure it's Yamaha. Okay. What Yamaha motorcycle do you enjoy riding?
Ken Pirano.
What?
Ken Pirano. Automatic.
Oh, okay. Is that Yamaha? Yamaha only.
Yamaha only.
Yamaha. How about is there Mio Gravis or Mio series in Thailand? A scooter? Or the NMAX? The NMAX T-Max?
Yeah.
Have you ridden those? Very relaxed compared to the sport bikes. Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Paolo. Palakpakan naman natin. The Thailand Racing Team. Ano ba ang Star Moon? And Beta Pan, yan, Rocket Boy, April King, Mascarlo, and the Android, EJ Sobre Todo. First place? First place? Congratulations. Okay, we'll start with the Wonder Boy. So the Wonder Boy, why is it the Wonder Boy? Where did you get the term Wonder Boy?
nakakapag po sa akin.
Ay, Tagalog ka pala. Lagyan ka naman ng English pa ako eh. Buti naman. Okay. Wonderboy. Bakit Wonderboy?
Nakakapag po sa akin dati. Kumbaga nung bata ko po sa kanila.
Kaya ba tumatanda na? Hindi mo kumagot.
Yun po nung nakilala ng break ako.
Okay, Wonderboy, nakalaman mo si ano pa sa SS600, nakalaman mo. Ano, kumusta naman yung competition ninyo ni ano pa?
Kumbaga, okay naman kasi kahit nagkalaman kami, pero dahil niya kami, nakapagtulungan, parang itutulungan pa rin kami sa race. Kaya para sa akin, okay din siya mga yung mga experience.
Saan kayo ulit naglaman? Saan lugar?
Nung huli sa Japan, kami nagkalaman.
Kumusta naman ang experience mo din na nakakaikot ka ng mundo sa Yamaha?
Siyempre, sobrang thankful ko dahil binigyan ako ng Yamaha na ganitong opportunity para makapag-compete sa iba't ibang klase ng competition ng racing. Siyempre, lalo na sa mga pangalan namin na competition ng salihan.
Okay. Congratulations sa Zoning competition. Rocket Boy! Yan, Rocket Boy, April King. April King Pascardo. Ilang taon na, brother?
27.
27. Kaya nang nag-start mag-motor?
11 years old.
Ilan? 11 years. Talaga, kaya nang nag-start mag-racing?
Nung nag-start po ako sa road race, tugumin na lang po ako kanina po. Kaya bangkit na lang po.
Nag-long ride ka rin. Pag racers, paano nag-long ride din?
And depende pa rin.
Marahilig kayo kasi sa liit, mabilis yun. Nakaka-long ride ka rin.
Basta sa tamang at saka may mga lisensya lang.
Ano ang favorite mong motor na hindi pa racing, yung pang araw-araw lang?
Usually, favorite ko talaga is Yamaha. Kumbaga, may niyo po ako dati.
Talaga?
Kasi doon po ako nakatutunong mag-motor. Kumbaga, scooter kasi.
125 muna, 125 down, and then slowly.
Yes.
Pag-usapan natin yung training ninyo so far. Of course, congratulations, this is round 3.
Bali, ginawa ka lang po namin ito.
Ayaw ka na, pwede sa'yo yan.
Bali,
Ayaw ka ako.
din po kami dito.
Tama.
Kumbaga, tawagan namin ito, pagkakap namin. Yun nga, yung mga training, pinagsisipan namin, ipit ko, chemistry namin. Last round, Japan, medyo only na sana eh. Makapodium na sana tayo, pero hindi lang sumama yung swerte. Kaya, ayun, baka sa susunod na round, mas maging confident pa kami, then di man natin nakuha, at least wala kami lang.
O tama naman, of course, nasa likod nyo lang. Of course, kami nagsusuporta sa inyo, of course, ang Yamaha. Alright, thank you very much, Rocket Boy. The Android. O yung mga nickname ninyo, the Android EJ Sobretodo. Brother, ito, sa ito.
Hindi rin.
Ay, di rin.
Pero, ano to?
Pinamanifest nyo lang.
Yes, kasi nung last round namin, nandun na kami sa top. Nagkakaintindihan na kami ni April kasi new teammates kami. So nagkakaroon na kami ng magandang chemistry. Thankful din kami sa Yamaha kasi gumawa sila ng program para sa amin na lalo kami ng training na gusto. Before kami sumala internationally, nag-train kami ng 2 weeks or 3 weeks para magkaintindihan kami na
Ayun, tama nga naman. Ano mga adjustments ang gagawin ninyo para maka-podium na tayo sa susunod? Ano mga adjustment natin?
Yun nga, i-build pa namin yung chemistry namin lalo. Kasi yun yung mahirap na maging, lalo na may gusto racing. Kasi hindi naman kami nag-uusap sa loob of during racing.
Walang usap yun.
Wala. For eye contact lang kami, body language. Doon na kami nagkakaintindihan. Kaya yun pa yung kailangan pa namin i-build lalo. Ngayon, malakas na yung chemistry namin na papalakas na namin lalo.
Alright, para naman natin ang Yamaha Philippines Racing Team. A Wonderboy, Magandang Kakal, Rocket Boy, April King Pascardo, and the Android EJ Sobretodo.
Shoutout pa kayo? Shoutout? Wala kayong shoutout? Oh, sigaw nyo lang. What's up, Pilipinas? Welcome to the Yamaha Motor Show 2025. Kaya? What's up, Yamaha? Yes. What's up, Pilipinas? Welcome to Yamaha Motor Show 2025. Kaya? Kaya? O mahaba? Oh, sige. 1, 2, 3.
Experiences to the whole lineup of Yamaha machines waiting for you. There is so much to see, so much to do sa mga class. Please mabagay dito. At ang magagawa dito sa 2025 Yamaha Motor Show, the L-Shock Speed! Absolute pleasure to introduce someone who will help us navigate this thrilling journey through speed and innovation this afternoon. Please give a warm welcome to my co-host, Miss Kylie Versosa. His insights set the pace for everything we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Yamaha Motor Philippines President, Mr. Katsuya Kaimiga.
that are here and members of the media who are always there to witness our journey every step of the way. Thank you very much for coming here in the Yamaha Motor Show. The exhibit that awaits you is a collection of innovation, passion, and unwavering spirit of the Filipino riding community. Today, more than just a motor show, it's a milestone, a bold declaration of how far we've come and where we're headed. This year, we took the journey even further with our new brand logo. Yamaha still carries the spirit of challenge, providing every Filipino a high-performance experience. Simpler design encapsulated modernity while being true to our commitment to our customers. Our promise is to deliver excitement that isn't just felt on the road, but lives in the heart of every Filipino life. This motor show invites you to experience a new age of speed, not just by looking at a motorcycle, but by feeling the soul of every engine and the future that lies in everything. So this is what the future of riding looks like, and it's made for you. Let's ride into something exciting together. So welcome to 2025 Yamaha Motor Show.
What a truly exciting vision from Yamaha Motor Philippines, setting the tone for everything we are about to experience today.
And now that our engines are truly warmed up, it's time to show you exactly what that looks like. It's time to feel the edge of speed to kick off this incredible motor show and give you a taste of the speed and dynamism that defines Yamaha. We brought together a phenomenal trio ready to ignite the stage.
That's why brace yourself for a showcase of our commuter and sports machines. Models that carve out their mark on your horizons. Prepare to be swept away by the pulsating rhythms, elegant strings, and beat-busting energy.
Yamaha is a brand who believes in the joy of riding a motorcycle. To help our customers feel that we have built machines that provoke excitement for 70 years. But today is a special day for us because we will introduce something that even upgrades your riding experiences. One that faster, bolder, and unmistakably Yamaha. One that helps you go beyond the limit you have known. It's a signature of speed that we have established through our racing activities. Some say performance is just numbers or specs, but we say it is vibes that a motorcycle is tuned to every direction. It is something that you can feel where the engine answers your instinct. It is something in which design, agility, and power combine in perfect sync. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready because the reason we all here today is about to be officially announced. Yamaha Motor Show 2025 welcomes you to the edge of speed.
it's possible and refusing to slow down. Now we invite our blue crew, and they are our sea riders with us on stage. We're also letting our members of the media know that they can now get a closer look and take photos of our AROX and AROX SPs. Our media friends can now go closer. Pasensya na po, meron pa po tayo. Kailangan ko rin. Hindi ko ba? Kung naman ako.
Space na po tayo po. Space na po. Excuse me po, address po muna. Pwede lang po ano madadaanan.
Thank you so much to our guests. Later, you have more chances to check out the new machines.
Yo, ang halakas ng ating AROX and AROX SPs. From the first test of the couple, these motorcycles go for riders to set the pace and merge a super sport DJ with everything we
Address
do.
po konti.
I can't wait to have those.
Backward po. Space po kailangan natin. Thank you. Harap ka lang dyan.
From concept to execution, every line and aspect of the AROX was built with one thing in mind: never look back. It's how to make sure you are never forgotten, and to tell us more about how fast Never Looks Back became more of the Yamaha Motor Philippines. Please welcome to stage is the marketing brand execution section manager of Yamaha Motor Philippines, Mr. Tony Acosta.
Again, first, again, as always, we raise the bar with this kind of lifestyle. Welcome the Yamaha Motor Show 2025. And we have to come for Yamaha. Can we hear the louder? That's what we're talking about. And today, we walk you to the edge of speed. And I'm very much glad that you're able to enjoy Walter Day. Not just remember this, not just the new era of anymore, but you hear it right. You can see it online, everybody's posting about this badass motorcycle. But starting today, this space is not just ready to take you to a whole new level of excitement, but of course, really make you even more confident having this new version of Aerox and the Aerox SP. And once again, let's talk about the design. I know everybody's wondering what this design is all about. And of course, we made it more even faster. And of course, to give you that confidence with a badass masculine presence with Yamaha. First, the revolutionary Sports 80, an innovation that the language of the super sports bike. And second, the front face of the belt. The Raptor front face, designed of course more aggressive and of course ready to be guys. And thirdly, the sport production resembles high performance super sport machine. And today, we really raise the bar when it comes to modified rider specimen. We Yamaha, as a brand of motorcycle, been able to move on this kind of level. Now let's talk about more about the ultimate super sports 80. First, the revolutionary sports 80, as we mentioned, with a high center of gravity that suggests an impression of quickness and agility, and the visual element around the rear tire expressing traction that convey more speed and more power. And of course, the language of super sports bike regularly seen in its taillight, same as 9.15
straight up our front and down with a whole new era of Aerox SE. More about this ultimate AT, of course, we cannot deny that there are performance phase of this bike, as you can see. This 2025 Aerox SE have a daytime running light, lit, of course, the LED position light looks more aggressive, at the same time it focuses it even in the whereas. And to evoke more of the appearance of this bike that we have here, the front surface design creates a green LED roof light that improve, of course, the aerodynamics and make it more efficient, of course, same as the 2025 R1 race model. And more about the ultimate super sports game, we have the sport vocabulary of this. Later on, you will see down the bike, you will see the super sport vocabulary. Totally will change the meaning of areas and resembling this high performance super sports machine and more advanced and of course integrated digital display. And I'm challenging all of our community workers to look it out, and you cannot find this with any other or only in the Yamaha display display. And to tell you more about the high performance, this machine gives you more unforgettable sensation of a rapid motion into a whole new level. The exciting speed with 155 displacement, the blue core engine with white ECD to the fully Yamaha again, or the Yamaha electronic continuous variable frequency system, and of course the DVA. This delivers more sharper acceleration as this is highly refined and accelerating your riding experience with more sharper acceleration. Third, I know you've seen this with NMAX, but at the same time, this whole new era have a real level of downshift control, particularly the Aerox SE. This experience and dynamic control, decentralization, and total response from aggressive and smooth cornering. Feel the real level downshift from low, high, and of course, low, medium, and high for clients that you want to experience more acceleration. So imagine we now have this with this whole new era of SE. And of course, it also with a two driving mode, we have the T mode or a free mode for relaxers. But of course, I know Filipino riders will always love the sport mode for a more aggressive and responsive usage. We're excited about the high performance. Of course, we still have a rear disc brake for effective stopping performance, and this new era is equipped with the rear disc as a standard for smooth and braking environment. Rear stop clamp as well, as you can see on this bike. This sporty stop clamp, of course, adds in a racing-inspired look and riding feeling, especially for Aerox SE performance-driven bike. It also has a single-channel ABS for efficient braking, and of course, the traction control system to maintain a control of a steeper surface. And what's unique about this Aerox is we have an emergency stop signal. These flashes of hazard lights automatically activate during the sudden hard braking. And another really sport about this bike, as mentioned, the super sport inspired tracking. So later on, please everybody, try to look all the videos in the bike. You can see the 3D display and channel Yamaha, the R-Series DNA. This DFE display that's turned by turn navigation. It has a 4.2-inch high definition TV screen features beautiful display. And on this TV display, you can see three kinds of modes. We have the functional bar display that can see the visualize the RPM, and of course you can see as well your track display mode. But what riders are looking for adrenaline, looking for this bike on the display is of course the track display mode that for sure every racer would love to see this. And of course the video display for the rating community. So imagine this bike not only good for race track, it's also good for Philippine road condition here in the Philippines. And of course, still, it has a stop-start system for improve its fuel efficiency, the smart key system for more seamless access, And now it has a USB Type-C electric power socket, the smartphone, and northern charger. So even you're living an active lifestyle, no need to worry about his bike. Everything is robot and is here in this whole bag. Again, everybody, we are challenging you to look at all the Yamaha bikes, mostly to this motorcycle. What is its name now? As today, we call this as the Aerox and the Aerox SE. This badass motorcycle is a race chaser for adrenaline enthusiasts that leads for an active lifestyle. So again, what is its name? Ladies and gentlemen, I am more than privileged and more excited to ride this bike with this all-new Aerox and the all-new Aerox SE. And never forget, the fast never comes back. And now, tell us more. I know everybody will always be asking, how much is this? For some, you've seen this, we have an exclusive launch during the last 228. And now, officially, let's learn it today. I know there's a lot online, but here I am. Now, to get us more about the official colors that's available, which you can see here with the right name and with the right naming of the SRP as well. And of course, where we can avail all of this bike for the all-new Aerox and the Aerox SE. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Sales General Senior Manager, Mr. Romeo.
And before that, of course, again, I would like to thank several people that are here that we have acknowledged. Of course, number one, the first time or one here, thank you very much, our leader partners. Thank you for our boss. But making sure that we can give her very fast. I know you're already quite urgent. And of course, we also would like to thank some of the YMPH government employees that are here. Thank you very much for supporting us. And last but not least, the women that you are there. Government, of course, our media partners, and last but not least, of course, our Filipino customers. So this is really happy for you. So from my end, just about what Tony said, we've taken you through the verbs, the power, and the performance. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Where it's time to talk about something that will make this machine even more exciting. So what usapan mo na natin actually, this year's product of our all-new Aerox introduced the Race Blue. This is the Race Blue. And then at the same time, the Race Blue is actually here. And of course, the usual customers. And now, showstopper, the all-new SE comes in a striking matte blue color. This is color. That gives off energy, longer, at the stated premium finish. It's a head turner built for those who want to make a statement without staying for it. Now, anyway, so we've already got speed. We have been talking about speed, so speed becomes your statement. And here's the best part. So now it's not time for us to agree new price, which is very important. So for our new Aerox, it will be priced at 125,900. So please try to support us as always. And then while the new Aerox SE is priced at 160,900, and this will be available in all of our Yamaha Media Shop with our dealer package nationwide. So please try. So we cannot wait for you to win and ride the newest Aerox and Aerox XP. What can I say? See you on the road, and always remember, only Yamaha
Thank you.